Good morning, children. Today we'll do English language lesson 5 nouns, page 31 to 21. I am repeating. This is a revision. All those who haven't done, please do it and please understand what are nouns. Now see the sentence. Mother is the name of a person. School is the name of a place. Toys is the name of a thing. So mother, school and toy. These are nouns. What is a noun? If I say what is the definition of a noun? A noun is the name of a person, place or thing. What is a noun? A noun is the name of a person, place or thing. That is called noun. In short, we say naming words. Now look at this A. Father, doctor, boy, singer, school, park, toys, cars. They are all names in common. See the B1. Sumit, Taj Mahal, Agra are special names. So these are special names. Only special names are written in capital. Now see how I have written Sumit, the first letter is always capital. See how I have written Taj Mahal, Taj is capital T, Mahal is capital M. Agra is capital A. So special names when you write the first letter in capital. Rest are all common. So now take out, let's go to the book. Go to book, page number 13. Open your book to page number 13. Now here also the same sentences are there. I love my mother, I love my school, I love to go to school and I love toys. Now again underline, take your pencil, underline nouns is the name of a person, place or thing. Okay, take your pencil and underline on the top right, read. Now turn to the next page. Again see this sentence here. My father is a doctor, the boy is a singer, Sumit has two sisters. So these are special names. So see, a noun is a word that names a person. So take a pencil, write down, read. See the third sentence here. Names of special persons like your own name is always written with a capital letter. So you start with a capital. Now go to the next page, page 15. Read these sentences again. Write down read, R-E-A-D, read on the top of your lesson. And see what is this. Who is this person? He's a cook. Who is this person? He's a teacher. Who is this person? He's a pilot. Who is this person? He's a driver. Who is this person? He's a gardener. Who is this person? She's a maid. So, read this. So, what is this written? If the students are capable of learning some more names, like add names of milkman, postman, these are all common. Barber, these are all common names. King, queen, student. Now go to the next page, children. Page number 16. Now this assignment, I have already done it. Take your pencils, write down read and see the A and B column. As I told you, we will not match. We will write numbers. So number 1, here put numbers. Boy number 1, king number 2, daughter number 3, father number 4, brother number 5, uncle number 6, niece number 7 and man number 8. So your A part you number 1 to 8. Now look at your B part. We will number it. Boy. Boy, opposite of boy is girl. So on girl put number 1. Then next is king. Opposite of king is queen. So on queen put number 2. On queen put number 2. Number 3 daughter. Opposite of daughter son. So on son put number 3. On son put number 3. Number 4 father. Opposite of father is mother. So on mother put number 4. On mother put number 4. Number 5 is brother. Opposite of brother is sister. So on sister put number 5. Put number 5 on sister. 6 uncle. Opposite of uncle is aunt. So on aunt put number 6. On 7 is niece. Opposite of niece is nephew. Batija, batiji. We say no. So number 7 is niece. And on B part, nephew, you will put number 7. 8 is man. Opposite of man is woman. So on woman put number 8. So your B1 you have number 2, number 1. First you have 2, then 1, then 4, then 5, then 3, then 6, then 8, then 7. Now go to the B part. Match the pictures of these with the names given. So from doctor, draw a line from doctor to the picture of doctor. From queen, the word queen, draw a line to the picture of queen. From cook, draw the word from the name cook, draw to the picture of a cook. Pilot, from pilot, draw From the word to the picture, pilot. So we have finished off this page. Now go to the next page, 17. Write down, read on this page again. I go to school, we play in the park, the Taj Mahal is in Agra. So only special names of these places are always written with capital letters, which I have explained. So you can read this. Now turn your page. Go to page 1818. Same thing we will read. Which is this place? It is a temple. Which is this place? It is a zoo. Which is this place? It is a hotel. Which is this place? It is an airport. Which is this place? It is a classroom. Which is this place? It is a building. So children, these are all special names. Okay? So we can add on more special names. Now look here. Go to page 19 again. Write down, read. What is this? A noun is a word that names are things. Now see. Our car has 4 wheels. Car is a thing. Wheels is again a thing. The cat ran after the rat. So here, rat and cat and rat. Children love to drink fruity. Again fruity. Fruity is a noun. So special names of things and pets begin with capital letters. So you have to start with a capital letter. Like you have fruity is a special name, no? So it starts with a capital letter. Turn your page to page 2020. Now this assignment I have given you, I will send a click again and send it to you. Okay, here these are underlining. I will send you one click. Now take page 21. Here also you will write read on 20 and on 21 also write read. Again I will send you a click. You have to look at these pictures and name the things. First one picture is book, second one is chair, third one is bell, fourth one is drum, fifth one is king, sixth one is hotel. Then here he plays in the park or market, underline park, and in the blank write park. I study in school or in a garden, school, underline school and write school. Sick men go to hospital or market, hospital, underline hospital and write hospital. The stars shine in the sky or pond, underline sky and write pond. Then this is the bottom one. I will send you the click. Okay children, see in this also circle the names of the following sentence. The moon and the stars are in the sky. Circle moon, circle stars, circle sky. Second sentence, she likes peas and carrot, corn. So underline, circle peas and corn. Third one, father has a black umbrella. Circle father and umbrella. Fourth, the peon rings the bell. Peon and bell circle. Number 5, the frog jumped into the pond. Frog and pond. Number 6, children love to watch television. Children and television. So, this is anyway, I'll send you the pic children. Please now write your work in your English language book. English language books are given. Please copy your work in your English language book. The assessment which I send you, please copy it in that. And this, please read this work. Thank you children. Have a good day.